It looks all right, but it is a muddy mess out here. All kinds of that stuff right there. You can't see it out here in the grass, and I just mowed this at 2, so hopefully it'll dry it out. But here it is. It's nasty. I just finished mowing. I'm out of gas. I got to get some gas for it. But in the year that I've had it, we'll just talk about it. So I did the 2 oil changes on it. I've added the canopy on there. It's all homemade. It's not from nowhere. And then I bought the mulch kit. I don't know if you can see that in the shadow, but I mowed with it open. I should have took this out because that little window clogs up fast. But it did all right. The grass just doesn't mat up and stay up under there like some other mowers. It actually falls out decent. Not as good as the old Kubota I had, but it didn't have nothing like this. But even so, it wouldn't keep hardly any grass stuck to underneath of it. I need to power wash this, but currently the ground is just so nasty and wet, and I don't want any more water on the ground than has to be right now. But like I said, 51.9, got it last April. I haven't serviced the transmissions yet. They say like 1,000 hours to do it, but I'm not happy about that. I'll do it at 100. I'll go ahead and give it another 50 more hours, and you can see where I dated my filter. But so far, no real issues to speak of out of this thing. I'm on the second set of blades. Let me show you the first set here. I dinged them up mowing pretty good the other day. So they're super thin, but that dude right there ain't no good. And I'm not even gonna bother try to straighten it out. That's what it should look like. But they're all right, so to speak. They're thin. They ain't got a whole lot of lift. And I've had this same set, a second set on there. I think these are the original to this mower. And then I bought some at 20 hours because these got really dull, wouldn't cut very good. So I put a brand new set on there, and then I bought that mulch kit, and it came with a set of blades, and those are sharpened and ready to go if I put them back on. And then I found out that you can put the 9 series 60-inch cut blades. They'll fit this. I haven't put them on yet. Just wait until I wear out these, which won't take long. But so far in the 50 hours in the year that I've had it, I haven't had no issues. And I don't have this. I just park it on. I got porch all the way around the house, and I'm parking on the backside. So it's protected, but it's not. But this is the condition that it's in right here. It looks terrible. I just got done mowing, and I blew a bunch of grass off of it, so it wouldn't look as bad in the video. But it's nasty. It needs a good washing. But so far, after my initial say-so about the blades and everything else, it seems to do all right. I haven't used the bagger in a while now. I did it for the first 2 or 3 times that I mowed. I used the bagger already, and then I took it off and now just let it mulch. But today, this half hadn't been mowed in like 3 weeks, so it was pretty thick. And I should have took the chute out over there, like I said, unbolted it with the 1/2-inch wrench. Comes right off. I should have just went ahead and took it off and let all of it discharge a whole lot easier. But the rest of this mowed down pretty good, and the rest of the back. But other than that, no real complaints. It's cutting well, it's running well. This last oil change, So the first oil change at 14 hours, I just threw some Supertech full synthetic in there. And now this one here, I've got Valvoline VR1 1030 throwing it in there. It's got a little bit higher level of zinc and the special blended detergent level. I'll just go get a bottle and show you. It's different, and it's made for the higher heat since this is an air-cooled engine, so it should be better. Please excuse my shop, it's too small and overloaded. So VR1 1030. Maybe we can see it better in the shadow over here. Enhanced anti-foam. There we go. But this is what I'm running in here. We're gonna try it out. I'll change it at 50 hours. So seems like it's good oil. Oh, also that stuff comes out blue. I don't know what it'll look like since I've got 2 hours on it, but we'll pull it out and show you. That stuff is blue coming out there. Everybody's got their colored oils these days. Yeah. You can tell it. It's blue. So, but other than that, running good. I put some fuel treatment in there because there might have been a little bit of gas from last year, dirtied up the carb. It's running great. No complaints there. I do like how they have this battery in here. I don't know if I showed that before, but the battery's right there. It's easy to get to. I like that. It was an upgrade over the Kubota where it was under the seat and you had to get to it. But there it is. If you're wondering about a Z760R, I've had it for a year and I've got 52 hours on it, and my only real issue was blades. That's really it. The seat's nice, it works well. My yard is rough. It holds 8 gallons of gas. The spindles are greasable. The battery's on the fender. The seat and all that flips forward. The transmissions have filters for service. It's got the big commercial style canister air filter for the engine. There ain't a whole lot to not like. Kind of wish those would run flat, but haven't had an issue, knock on wood. Let's see. This one here doesn't have the tube for the oil drain, but I found a piece that fits, so it's no big deal. I think on the 24 with the commercial setup like that, in this one it has that. Just thought it was odd that this one doesn't have that drain tube, but no big deal. God, I gotta get some allergy medicine. This stuff's killing me. But anyway, here you go. 50 hours in a year. No other real complaints about anything. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.